guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to correctly clean the glass on your car. First off, the two cloths we recommend you use are just a normal glass cloth and as your second cloth, a waffle weave glass cloth. If you're working on a convertible car, I know it sounds obvious, but always remember to put the roof up before you start on the glass, because it does happen. You make the windows perfect, you forget to put the roof up, and as you put it up, it winds the windows down for you, and you get nice, lovely streaks reappear over your hard work. So, one thing to consider when cleaning glass is that 9 times out of 10 you will go over it once and there's more than likely still going to be some smears or streaking or just something on it. It's just how it is. So if you're going along this and you're not getting it right first time, don't worry, don't be afraid to go over it again. Start with cleaning the outer edge of your glass. Imagine yourself drawing a box around the piece of glass you're working in and then filling it in with a crosshatch technique. So begin up and down all the way along the piece of glass and then begin to move side to side. This way you're actually going over the piece of glass twice, meaning you will be extra thorough and hopefully it will lead to a better finish the first time round. In doing so, it may even mean that you don't have to go over the piece of glass again. After you've done that with the wet cloth, then repeat with the dry. So yeah, that is basically it. I will let this footage carry on playing out just so you can get a better understanding of what to do. If you would like any more information on how to clean your glass, there will be a link in the description below to our latest blog post. So as you can see, first time going over the glass, it's still not perfect, so I'm going to go over it again. There's also, I've noticed, 2 odd marks in the glass which hopefully I'll be able to take care of. After I've gone around the glass, I'm then going around with an inspection light. In this case, using a scan grip, but you don't need something as expensive as this. You can just use a torch of some sort, and we're going around checking for smears, because you'll be surprised what's still on the glass that you can't see with your naked eye. And there's nothing worse than when you've driving your car, the sun shines down on you, and you just notice all the bits of hazing and smears that you've missed. And using a torch or something like this will help you prevent that. One of the worst parts about working on some cars with glass is this. Notice how the glass lifts up. It is just unavoidable. There will be a line there and you can do your best to climb in from the other side and try and get into it, but it's always going to be there. You've just got to sort of accept it. As a final step to finish off the glass, I like to go over the whole car again with a fresh glass cloth. You can either use a waffle weave one or a normal one like I am, and go around with this and an inspection light or a torch, like I said, if you have one, just to reassure yourself, if anything, that there's no more smears left on the glass. So that is how we clean automotive glass at DSJ. If you did enjoy the video or you learned something new, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button and check out some of our other detailing videos.